In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to manage blog settings. So first, as you can see, this is a sample blog, and we're going to go and take a look at the settings for this blog. So we'll go ahead and launch CambioExpress.com and log in. And once I'm logged in, I'll click over here to the Settings tab. And then on the right-hand side, you see Blog. I'll just click on that. I'll just review a couple of these settings. First, this is where the blog lives. So if you wanted the blog to actually be on a different page, this is where you select that. In this case, it's on the blog index page. Then we have number of posts to display, and then posts to display when you do a search. Then we have global settings for comments. So this will this one means that basically any new blog that you create will by default have this setting. In this case, for the comment type, it would be open. And if we wanted to change that globally, we do it here. But anytime you create a new post, you can also change it for that particular post if you wanted it to be different. Let's say you wanted to create a blog post that was closed to comments, or just one that's open to comments, or whatever. Then you can see here the RSS feed, the title, and description. And if you wanted to, if you use an external feed, such as FeedBurner or something like that, you can disregard these two fields here and just type in or paste in the feed URL there, and it would tie into that. Then over on the right hand side, we're going to go into social media. These are some social media configurations that are part of the blog. We have it set up to where you can set it up to when you create a post, it automatically posts to Facebook and Twitter. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is check that, and then it will launch a dialog to, in this case, I'm already signed into Facebook, but if you weren't signed into Facebook, it would have you go ahead and log in and authenticate, and then it would post. Also on here is display the sharing bar. If you wanted to let your viewers share blog posts, which is a great idea, all you do is you check that on. And now if I go back over to the blog and I hit refresh, you can see that that's now automatically added to all the bottom of the posts. One more thing, let's go back over to the page itself. Let's click on Manage Site. And then let's go to the page that is where the blog lives, which again is blog, the index page. So I'll click on Edit. And then inside here, you'll see that in the layout, it's using a blog layout. This is a specific layout used to pull in the dynamic content from the blog extension and to display it here. But I have the ability to add static content to the top here or over to the right in this particular case. If I want to change to a different layout, let's say a 3-column layout or something like that, I can do that. And then these widgets here, again, I can throw whatever widget I want onto the sidebar, but in this case I have blog specific widgets, so I'll click on blog and you can see how I'm using those there. So for example, I'll just remove that one, and then if we wanted to use the search widget, I'll go and click on that and just drag it over there, and then you can see it shows up there.